What's up, Namblers? Welcome back to Nam's Eatery, where we're serving up fun, delicious, easy to make recipes. In this video, I'll show you how to make my NAMBURGER NAMPANADAS, aka In-N-Out or Big Mac Empanadas. Be sure to check out my sauce recipe video as well. For these, we'll start by browning our 80-20 ground beef over medium heat. It helps to break up the meat so they'll be easy to work with later. Looking good. Be sure to lightly season with salt and pepper at every step. Then, it's time to caramelize our onions. Start with a good amount of oil on medium heat until they start to brown. Don't worry, the full pan of onions will cook down. Stir too much and they won't caramelize. Don't stir enough and they'll burn, so keep an eye on it. This will take about 15-20 minutes. Combine our caramelized beef and onions and season well. Allow to cool, then refrigerate overnight. Then it's NAMPANADA time, baby. We'll start by slicing our cheese into triangle quarters. 2 quarters per empanada is good. I love these Goya puff pastry empanada discs, which you can find at Walmart. They come pre-wrapped in plastic dividers that help with handling and storage. For full ingredient and equipment lists, check out my website at namseatery.com. Lightly wet the rim of an empanada shell and get to stuffing. Aw, my babies. Empanadas are super fun and convenient to cook. They fry or bake directly from frozen. I always keep some in my freezer ready to go. If baking, brushing with an egg wash helps to add color. And there you have it, NAMBURGER NAMPANADAS that your whole party will love. Be sure to check out my sauce recipe video as well. What would you stuff into an empanada? Comment down below and be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.